Welcome to Session 9. So far, our angles have all lived inside the triangle. Today, we step outside. When you extend one side of a triangle, the angle formed on the outside is called an exterior angle, and it comes with a wonderful shortcut that can save you a whole step. Here's the setup. Take a triangle and extend one of its sides, straight past a corner. The angle between that extension and the next side is the exterior angle. And here's the shortcut. The exterior angle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles, the two angles inside the triangle that are farthest from it. One addition, and you have your answer. Let's be clear about which angles are remote. At the corner where we made the exterior angle, there's an interior angle right next to it. That neighbor is not one of the remote angles. The remote interior angles are the other two, the ones on the far side of the triangle. So the exterior angle equals those two far angles added together. Let's try it. Suppose the two remote interior angles are 70 degrees and 60 degrees. By the shortcut, the exterior angle is simply 70 plus 60, which is 130 degrees. That's it. No other steps needed. The exterior angle is 130 degrees. Let's prove the shortcut gives the right answer by doing it the long way. First, find the third interior angle. 180 minus 70 minus 60 is 50 degrees. The exterior angle and that 50-degree interior angle sit on a straight line, so they're supplementary. 180 minus 50 is 130 degrees. Same answer, but notice the shortcut skipped two steps. Here's why the shortcut always works. The exterior angle and its neighboring interior angle form a straight line, so together they add to 180. But the three interior angles also add to 180. Since both totals equal 180, we can subtract the shared neighbor angle from each. What's left tells us the exterior angle equals the other two interior angles combined. Now an algebra version. Suppose the exterior angle is 5x plus 10, and the two remote interior angles are 2x plus 15 and x plus 35. The exterior angle equals the sum of the remotes. So we write 5x plus 10 equals 2x plus 15 plus x plus 35. The right side combines to 3x plus 50. So 5x plus 10 equals 3x plus 50, which gives 2x equals 40, and x equals 20. Substitute back. The exterior angle is 5 times 20 plus 10, which is 110 degrees. And the two remote angles are 55 and 55. 55 plus 55 is 110. Here's a real-world touch. Reading the angle of a road sign, a roof overhang, or a support beam extending past a joint often means measuring an exterior angle. Instead of hunting for the third interior angle first, you just add the two remote angles you already know. The shortcut saves a step in the field. Now, the common mistake. Students reach for the wrong angles. Some add all three interior angles. Others use the neighboring interior angle by accident. Neither is right. The exterior angle equals only the two remote angles, the two that are not next to it. One more helpful check. An exterior angle is always larger than either remote angle by itself, because it equals their sum. If your exterior angle is smaller than one of the remotes, something went wrong. Let's check your understanding. A triangle has remote interior angles of 70 degrees and 60 degrees. What is the exterior angle? Just add the two remote angles. 70 plus 60 is 130 degrees. Nicely done. Let's recap. An exterior angle is formed by extending a side of a triangle. It equals the sum of the two remote interior angles, the two far angles, not the neighbor. That shortcut replaces two steps of subtraction with a single addition. And an exterior angle is always bigger than either remote angle alone. Great work on Session 9. The exterior angle shortcut is a real time saver, and now it's yours. Next time, we return inside the triangle to study isosceles and equilateral rules, where equal sides create equal angles.